Hi, I'm Sean with Amp Marine, and this is a product unboxing of the Fusion RA210 source unit. This is a very good head unit. This is in the entry level of their DSP lineup of units that can work with their Fusion Apollo amps and such. Let's get into this unit. So, very nice mounting shipping packaging. Once you open it up, flip it open, you have a nice protective cover over the radio itself. Inside of there is also a little flap that does have your 4 mounting screws inside of there. They do put a nice sticker reminding you that the hardware is inside of there. Then we have the unit itself in a nice case. And then we have documentation on the radio, both installation and an owner's manual, and then their warranty information. You do have a mounting template. Then you get a speaker and power harness, and then you get your auxiliary harness for the zone outputs and also auxiliary inputs. You get a new NEMA 2000 6-foot cable, and you get your 2 end cap covers that go over the sides after you've mounted this unit. These will go over the ends to give it a finished look. The unit itself does have a nice foam gasket behind it. It is a nice unit with a nice big knob for volume control. It does have a color display, quick buttons across the bottom for changing your source, menu, play, pause, next track, back a track. On the back of the unit, you do have your power harness input. You do have a fuse behind this little rubber covered fuse holder here. It is a mini ATC fuse. Then you have your 2 outputs here. This unit will only use one of those outputs, and for your auxiliary input and outputs, you have a USB input, and then you have your XM input here for the XM tuner. Then you have NEMA 2000, and then you have your Motorola AM/FM antenna input. This unit can be controlled with Fusion Link through your free phone app to do everything wirelessly. It is a DSP capable radio of Fusion's DSP, so it will work with the Apollo amplifiers. You can set the speaker size, the amplifiers, the environment the speaker's mounted in, and that'll give you a very good crystal clear audio with Fusion's full entertainment package of Apollo amps, Apollo speakers, XS speakers. But if you didn't want to go the route of putting an amplifier in your boat, you can simply hook up 4 speakers to the 2 zones on this radio. You will have full control over independent zones. Zone 1 can be your bow of 2 speakers, and zone 2 could be your helm of another set of speakers. If you do an amplifier, you could use the internal amplifier as well as combining zone 1 and 2 with external amps as well. Kind of gives you a lot of flexibility. If you're not using the internal amp, you can also shut off the internal amp to save some power. This was a product unboxing video of the Fusion RA210. I'm Sean from Amp Marine, and the link for this product off our site will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.